Hey guys, I'm Rogan and this is my rant. We believe in the diversity of thought here on this channel. Alright, getting right into it today, I'm going to be talking about the current cryptocurrency Bitcoin situation. What's going on? Are we entering a crypto bear market? What's going on? What's happening? This is an uneducated opinion from a non-expert about cryptocurrency. Anyone who says they're an expert on this type of stuff, they're lying. Don't believe them. So make your own decisions, do your own research, and remember, never listen to just a random guy on YouTube, including me. All right, so getting into it right now. On my lunch break today, I saw Bitcoin at 38,500, and I was like, oh my God, that's so low. That's so crazy. And now looking at it, it's currently 635 at January 21st, 2022. And yes, I know this video will become dated eventually, but I want to make a timely video for you guys because I'm really passionate and interested about this topic. So, we could be entering another, crypto bear market. Now, cryptocurrency is a very young asset class. It doesn't have a long history like precious metals. It's only been around for maybe 13, 14 years and it hasn't been tested like metals has. I'm a big precious physical metal guy and stock market and stuff like that, but I do have a small percentage of my, you know, overall portfolio in crypto and I definitely recommend that you do it too. But I'm just going to try to analyze what's happening here and then just give my 2 cents about it. So usually when this type of stuff happens in Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these cryptocurrencies, they start going down, there's a pullback. I usually is like, oh, it's a great opportunity to buy in. But the way it's been behaving lately and losing like a ton of its value lately, it's like really crashing down. I mean, this is nuts. Like if I pull up a chart here, I know you can't see this, but I can. What's interesting about this is that only, yesterday it was at 43,242 and it's been hovering around that 41, 43 for a while now. It's really crashing down. I mean, like at some of its lowest point it was at 35,800 and that's just ridiculous. And it's having a slight little rally right now. It's at like 36,728 right now. But I mean, that could change. I mean, you don't know what's going to happen. Now, usually, like I said previously, is that now when this happens, it's like, oh, it's a good opportunity to buy in. And in my opinion, I think a lot of people are going to see this as like, oh, I got to buy in now. It's so low. It's a great opportunity to buy. It could be a great opportunity to buy. I don't know. It could be a great opportunity to buy. Or if you buy in with like $1,000 right now, it could go below 30,000 in the next few days the way it's behaving right now. I don't know. The way I see it now is the way it's been behaving the past, few weeks and stuff like that. We could be entering another crypto bear market like there was in the past. I forget the years, like 2013 maybe. Like some of the other bear markets, I don't know the exact years. You can do your own research and you can figure that out on your own. But usually I see this as a good time to buy in, but the way it's been behaving lately, it's not always a buy signal. Like I don't see this as a buy signal. In the past, I've seen it as like, oh well, this is kind of like an interesting buy signal. I might make a little bit of money right here. But my crypto wallet has lost over $300 recently, and that's my personal wallet. I know everyone's wallet is different, and or if you trade on Robinhood, whatever. I mean, that's not it's not my cup of tea anymore. But it's very interesting to me, and comparing this to precious metals, I saw there's a huge rally in the past few days with metals, and then today there was a pullback. But usually when there's a big rally in the metals, there's a big pullback too, and I didn't see that today. Very interesting. And an interesting thing about cryptocurrency is that in the past, in my opinion, it behaved differently to the performance of the stock market day to day. But recently, in the recent times, the way I've seen it is that it kind of behaves like the market, and that's very interesting to me. And that's just what I've noticed. And again, I'm not an expert. This isn't financial advice. Please don't take this as financial advice. I'm just talking aloud here. I'm just trying to spark up a conversation. Stuff is very interesting to me. And and Ethereum is really down. I wanted to cover that as well. Ethereum is at is in the $2,500 range right now, and just about on Monday of this week, it was at $3,300 range. So it's gone down quite a bit. And I could be wrong. I could be full of it. Like, I'm not trying to make a prediction here. I'm not trying to make a recommendation. I'm just trying to analyze what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing is that, like, because I looked at it on my lunch break at work today, like I said before, and I was like, I don't really feel like touching crypto right now with a 10-foot pole. And I just got paid today, so I had a little extra, cash flowing around, if you know what I mean. So, I was just like, maybe some metal, maybe some savings, maybe, a little bit of the stock market. But what we're starting to see right now is the past few days in the stock market, it might be the signs of a correction. It might be signaling a correction. This was bound to happen. The market has behaved so crazily in the past couple of years. All of the Fed intervention, all of the money printing, the quantitative easing, the Fed saying they're going to taper and then they don't, or and then they say they're going to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points by March or April. And then they change their tune and say, oh, we're not going to do that. And then we're going to say, oh, wow, now we're going to do 50 basis points. Okay. So I don't trust the Fed. I'm really part of that End the Fed group and stuff like that. They're just, they're very, they're very damaging to our currency. And that's why it's important to talk about diversifying. Metals are very important. And cryptos are still important. I mean, I still think it's important for you to have a certain amount of your, like a small percentage, and that can mean something different to everybody. So that's just what I have to say about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to hit that like button, and you know what to do if you didn't. If you didn't like my face, if you didn't like my topic or my shirt, just remember to smash that dislike button. It gives me a chance to improve, make better content, make more content, and then just get better overall with what I'm doing. All right, guys, if you want to see more crazy videos from this crazy guy, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And that notification bell. It might work, it might not. And I would love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section down below. I really appreciate all of the love and support on the channel lately. It means the world to me. I really enjoy making these videos. And eventually, when I have more time and stuff like that, I can invest in, editing. But like these unscripted rants, they're just so much fun to me. And this is like old YouTube, like how it used to be. I don't know. I might be living in the past. But I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Stay safe out there, and just do your research. Think about if you really want to put some money into crypto. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day. I'll see you next time.